Hi everybody, quick update with my Alum battery of 2 or 3 days ago. So this is the new battery that I bought, and I converted with Alum without never having put the acid. So before to continue with this, I want to show you the other battery. So this is a 14 ampere hour battery. Then I didn't remember, I already converted in March 2012, and was an old battery that somebody gave me. So was not working anymore. Was like 10 volt, and so I converted in March and I forgot about it. So 2 days ago I found it and was resting at 1088 volt. So I charged it with a 6 coiler, and was resting at 1188. Today I start to discharge it. So with the gold zero light, and of course this is better than the other one for the moment. But besides this, so here you can see I start around 1 o'clock. It was 1181 at 340 milliampere, and something after happened interesting. I think this is the change in impedance or something like this. Eventually John or somebody can tell me. So around from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock was always 290 milliampere, and around 3 o'clock I thought then something was increasing the milliampere, and in effect it was exactly at 4 o'clock was 295. 1 hour after, at 5 o'clock, was 310 milliampere, and it stayed like this until 5:48. Around 5:48, a little bit before, when was around 11 volt, start to decrease the milliampere and went down very quickly, like in a hour, like you can see, in a hour, until 6:20. 1820 went down at 1025 until 10 volt, 631, and basically when you reach 10 volt it starts to go very slow again. It decrease a little bit again, but now since then is decreasing like before, very slowly. So I think here was a change in impedance or something like this. And so now is 9 o'clock and is 952, 100 milliampere. Here's 100 milliampere, a little less. And this is the graph. It's 950 after 29,000 seconds. So yesterday I measured the 2 days ago we was talking about the pH. So I went to buy this swimming pool checker for the pH, and I measured the pH of this battery, and of course was more higher than this one. So today excuse me, today I empty the battery. I throw away the distilled water with the alum, because this was never formed with the acid, so it came out like 1 cup of water, and the rest was already impregnated in the plate. And I put a little bit of acid, you see, not even exactly what came out, more or less 1 cup of alum and distilled water. So I fill it up in top of the plate with a little bit of acid. This is the acid, so I put just not even 1 cup of acid. I recharge it, the battery, and now I'm discharging it with the 20 ohm resistor, which is the C20 rate, and of course it got immediately better. So you see, I started at 520, was 1175, 560 milliampere, and now after 6 hours, I mean no, 4 hours, sorry. After 4 hours, it's holding pretty good. It's 1065 volt and 508 milliampere. So, and the resistance is hot. I mean, is working. So I'm gonna do 1 cycle now. I'm discharging it, and tomorrow I'm gonna recharge it again. So in the meantime, with this 1 charge and discharge, the plate's gonna form a little with a little bit of the acid, and I will dump out the acid again, rinse it, and put the new distilled water with the new alum, and see where we are. So I think those are the strips that you use to measure the pH. They're not probably super correct, but is an indication for start. And also I won't try. Okay, this is 12 ampere hour and this is 14 ampere hour, is a little bigger, but anyway. So I will try to make this a little better than this one. And so this is the thing about the pH. Then the acid and the alum have to be balanced. So for what is worth, the chart here, I find out that this one was like 6.8, in between 6.8 and 7.2, and this was 6.4, around 6.4. So this was definitely less acidic than this one. And so with forming the plate with acid, at least 1 time, I think is gonna get better. Okay, so in the meantime, here is the other little plate. I took apart 1 battery like this one, and all this plate come out, and so I form 1 cell here and another cell there. I use the red oxide that came out from the old battery, and I separate the frame of the plate, and I make a dust, a powder, and I mix it with the alum water. I was charging it with this panel today outside in the sun, and I'm gonna run a test tomorrow, but now it's holding 1 volt, 0.8. And so let's connect the diode. So it's pretty neat. I mean, at least something is working. Let's see how much power is inside. Let's see how much power I have inside. And this is a light that I find at the Goodwill with this little solar, and this is another one. So I will play a little bit with these things. And here is my other project, the tank-coiler. I put only 4 sets of magnets and 1 coil. Here other magnet ready. And I'm charging the 4 battery with 1 battery, like John was explaining, isolated. Each circuit is for 1 battery, so I have 4 strand, 4 battery, the 6 coil, and those are the 4 batteries that I'm charging. Okay, this one is holding, is charged. That's very good after 4 hours, so it's becoming better. Thank you very much, and if you want to leave a comment, I appreciate it. Bye bye.